Hoàng Anh. I live in Vietnam. I stay in Hanoi City. Today I would like to talk about 4 layers of the tropical rainforest. First is the emergent layer. The emergent layer is very high and they can get many sunlight, so tree can grow. It has animals, butterflies, bats, parrots, and also, do you know what animal is it?
I don't know. Please let me know.
It's the hummingbird, the smallest bird in the world. Then the canopy layer. The canopy layer is 90% of light. It's 90% of light. Life is found here. And it has many animals: monkeys, slugs, insects, birds, and butterflies. Also many animals. Do you know what this?
Is it bird, right?
No, here.
A snail?
No, here.
I don't know.
It's a nest.
Net? Snake?
It's a net.
Okay, nest of bird, right?
Nest of bird. Then is the understory. Then in the understory is not very dark. It's not very dark. It's a little bit of dark because it can get a little bit of sunlight like this. Like this one. And it has only little bit of light in. It has snake and bug. Also everyone's favorite. Do you know everyone's favorite is? It's the cacao tree.
Oh.
Here. Oh no, very many trees.
Yes.
And the last one, be careful. Be careful. It is very dark. And do you know what name is this layer?
Please let me know.
It's here. It's the name.
Forest floor, right?
Yes, it's forest floor. The forest floor is very dark. That is, do you know how many percent of sunlight?
I don't know.
It's 5% of sunlight. Very dark. And it's a bug, but not many. We have jaguars, big spiders, and also, what is this animal?
It is ant eater.
Yes, it's an anteater. The anteater has 5 body parts: the leg, the tail, the eyes, the long and point nose, and the sticky tongue. Has no teeth. Do you know what food does the anteater like?
Please let me know. I don't know.
Is this animal like? big apple.
So what animal is this?
You can see, you can know.
I don't know. So what is the favorite food of?
It's so many. It's many. Yeah, this animal is so many. That very big.
Is spider?
No, spider is not busy.
So what animal? So what is the favorite food of
Look,
ant eater?
Look closer about this animal. You can think.
I don't know. You can answer to me.
Here, I will draw bigger. It is.
Is it ants?
Yes! It's an ant. It's the favorite food of the anteater.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Do you have any question about the four layer of the rainforest, or the highest layer or the lowest higher, or all the habitat? Please leave down the comment and put at the email at the science habitat. Thank you for watching. Good night.
I have a question. So at the forest floor, what kind of animal? So what kind of animal at the forest floor? What kind of animal?
It's circles.
Oh, what kind of animal at the forest floor? It includes
What?
as forest floor include animals.
It include big or small.
Biggest.
The largest or the smallest animals.
Okay. Thank you for your answer.
And goodbye. Good.